Get natural relief from migraines and headaches with AccuLeaf. Doctor approved and recommended, AccuLeaf puts pressure on the Li4 pressure point, which provides relief for headaches and tension. Simply put AccuLeaf on your non-dominant hand and feel relief in as little as minutes. With AccuLeaf, there's nothing to ingest and no harmful side effects. Just proven science that provides quick pain relief. AccuLeaf is 100% waterproof and is small enough to fit in a pocket or purse, so you can take it wherever you go. Universally sized, AccuLeaf will fit every hand and comes in multiple colors. Pick the natural solution to headaches and migraines with AccuLeaf.
Protect against and clean up viruses, trojans, spyware, and other malware with the Fixmestick. With Fixmestick, you don't have to replace your computer even if it's plagued with viruses. Even though 99% of our customers run antivirus software, the Fixmestick finds and destroys malware on over 80% of the computers it scans, clearly trumping antivirus programs. Fixmestick starts before your system even boots to remove tough infections that won't come off while your system is running and does not conflict with other antivirus software being ran on your computer. Fixmestick is backed by 30 fantastic tech experts at the head office to help you with any problems. Protect your computer and destroy viruses with the Fixmestick.
Keep your phone charged wherever you go with the Chargehub Go, the only power bank that features smart speed patented technology and a wireless charging pad for fast charging. Charge virtually any phone with a built-in lightning cable and Type-C cable, or use the included ports at the bottom, which include a USB port, micro USB port, and Type-C port. Its small size allows you to throw it in your pocket and take it with you wherever you are, and the built-in battery indicator lets you know how charged your power bank is. The Chargehub Go will auto-detect what device you plug in to ensure maximum charging speed without overpowering your device, resulting in the fastest charge possible. Built-in safety features protect from overheating, overpowering, and foreign object damage. Keep your phone charged everywhere and anywhere.
Thanks to the devices we use daily, such as smartphones, laptops, and Wi-Fi, we are surrounded by 100 million times more electromagnetic radiation than we were just 50 years ago. That's why we created SmartDot, an EMF protection device which retunes the electromagnetic frequencies at its source, so each device is more comfortable and safe to use. Simply stick the dot on any device and then forget about it thanks to its thin and lightweight design. The Smart Dot will last indefinitely and is made with revolutionary quantum technology that is the gold standard in EMF harmonization. Place the dot on your smartphone, tablet, laptop, router, TVs, baby monitors, gaming monitors, or anything else to get maximum protection from radiation. Thousands are already enjoying the benefits of Smart Dot's rigorously and independently tested technology. Reduce the electromagnetic radiation surrounding you with Smart Dot.
During an emergency, every second counts. You need a tool that can keep you safe. Introducing React by Chargehub, a 7-in-1 emergency tool that does it all. Get free from a caught seatbelt with the razor-sharp seatbelt cutter and break through your window to safety with the steel-tip window breaker. React is perfect for nighttime emergencies with an ultra-bright LED flashlight and strobing SOS beacon. Flag down help from afar with a long-range safety siren built in, and call for help without worrying about phone battery life with built-in power bank with smart speed technology. When not in an emergency, the React acts as a USB charger and plugs into a cigarette lighter, so it can be within arm's reach at all times. Be prepared for whatever life throws at you with React.